Do you want to get down? You can do it. Show how you get down. No, not how you cry. Everyone already knows how you do that. No need to cry. You don't need to cry. Just show how you get down. Here, do you want this? Show how you get down. Almost there. Yeah. Good girl, Squish. Yay! Yeah. You earned that 9-9. Look at that. So good at getting down. Good job, Squishy. Bye-bye. There you go. Bye-bye.